Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Urvi and for today's video we have a humongous PR haul, things I've gotten in the month of August and September. So I'm going to show you all of that, and it is not just a small haul. Let me show you the products. Look at it. It it's just too much. It is a lot of products. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start with the products which I got first, and then yes, 90% of them are PR. However, almost 99% of them are PR, and just one is the product which I got. So let's go. Okay, so the first thing which I got in August, and I think rest everything was in September, were the Nivea deodorants. These are the new deodorants launched by Nivea. These are called as Nivea Deo Milk. So it comes in like 3 other more packaging. This is the sensitive one, we have the dry one and the fresh one. I don't have the sensitive one, I've just kept it aside. So these are the ones which I have, and they do also come in roll-ons like this. I have done a review on them on my Instagram, and I honestly, I have been using Nivea products for like the past 4 years now from my college. So I'm excited to try these. I am using the fresh one currently. It smells great. If you are interested in the review, you can check my Instagram out. So thank you so much Nivea for the products, and you can check them out on Nykaa. By the way, all the products will be linked in the description of this video, so you can check it out. Okay, so the next up was Bath and Body Works. Now they sent me their 2 mist and 1 body lotion, which comes like this. Oh my god, look at the packaging. This is my favorite packaging. It looks so pretty, like party-esque. This is the 1000 Wishes body cream. Wow. And this is the 1000 Wishes body mist. And then we have the Gingham Bath and Body Works mist. This is in the shade. Wow. This is in the fragrance the type called is Gingham. So yeah, I mean, I have been using Bath and Body Works mist for, I would say, a few years now. I have 4 to 5 of them, and I use them religiously. So it was no surprise for me, and I absolutely loved it. So thank you so much Bath and Body Works for sending it to me. Actually, they had a sale in September where you buy one and get one free, and the products were at half price. So they sent these to me to promote it, and yeah, absolutely, I loved it. You can definitely check it out. These smell divine. So yeah. Now the next one is M Caffeine. I'm just gonna talk about the body products and everything first, and then we'll move on to the clothing. So they sent me, first of all, I'll go by product because I'm just too heavy to carry. So we have the M Caffeine body lotion. I used this yesterday. This is the coffee infused one. Wow, it smells like coffee and cake, and I want to eat a cake so bad after using this product. So that's the lotion. And then we have the M Caffeine body polishing oil. Oh my god, this smells like a coffee shop. Of course, like when you walk into Starbucks, it's the smell which you can smell. Anyways, so yeah, this is the body polishing oil, which my dad also used, by the way. And then we have the body scrub, coffee body scrub. So yeah, it also comes with a spoon, which my mom really liked. I have used this once, and I cannot wait to try it on the weekend and see how it works. Again, it smells divine. My mom actually thought it was coffee, she didn't really see the packaging. So yeah. Okay, now let's move on to the more exciting part. So my best friend Lorraine, she has rebranded her brand called as Tailored From Scratch on Instagram, and she makes these cute little adorable scrunchies by herself, and she has a sale right now. So she's selling these for a very affordable price. I think it is just below 200 or 300, and you get a pack of it. So definitely I would say try it out. Just go and see, because these are so cute. Wow, I was gonna say great and cute, so that got mixed to cute. So look at it. This is so pretty. The colors are beautiful. We have satin ones and then the matte ones. As you can see, the satin ones are very in trend right now. This is the lavender, a dark violet. We have a nude one, a orange satin, and a brown one. So yeah, love these. Check her out. Support small businesses. And now let's move on to these products. These are the ones. Okay, so I got this Lakme lipstick. You might have seen it on my Instagram. This is in the shade Rebel Rose. No, Fire Starter Red. Sorry, this is in the shade Fire Starter Red. This is the Lakme matte melt liquid lipstick. This is how it looks. I received this from Lakme themselves. Then I got the My Glam Lit Glam liquid lipsticks. I bought this by myself. This is in the shade Micro Heating. It is kind of like a very you can see the color over here. It is a very dark toned like darker nude, which also has like yellow undertones in it. So yeah, I usually wear blue undertone ones. This is like the yellow ones. So that's that. And then Too Faced is all over Nykaa and people are raving about Too Faced. So then I had to try their mascara, but I was like, okay, let me try, let me see what's the hype of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So I went ahead and I bought the smaller one, and I am going to try it out. I haven't tried it out. I haven't even opened it yet. So I'm really excited to try it out. And I got it for 950 rupees, which is the smaller version, and you get 4.8 grams of it, and it is not coming out. So the packaging looks like this. It has like a fake droplet effect, which is so cute. I love the aesthetic and the packaging of it. So yeah, I'll definitely be reviewing this on my Instagram reels. You can definitely check my reels out if you want to see what is my first impression of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. You can check it out over there. Okay, now again let's move on to Lakme. Now this is a new launch. This is their Lakme Peach Milk Ultra Light Gel Moisturizer. So I haven't really tried it yet. I am excited to try it as I received it last week. So this is what the box looks like. It says that it is 24-hour moisture lock, ultra light gel, non-sticky, and then you get a pamphlet with it, and here is the actual product. So it is a pretty huge size, and this is how it looks. I haven't even opened it, so yeah, I will definitely be doing a review on it pretty soon, and I'll let you know about it. So thank you, Lakme. So I received a few products from San & Sky. Now this is the Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Face Mask. This is how it looks, and when you open it, it is completely cute. Like, the packaging is beautiful. It comes with a brush, and it also, if it opens, this is the box. This is the tub in which it comes from. Absolutely cute. I mean, look at it. It's just beautiful, isn't it? And when you open it, I did use this once on my face. So open. This is how it looks. It looks pretty pink, mauvey pink in texture, like the pastel pink in color. So yeah, oh my god, it's all over my hand right now. I don't know what to do. So that's the Australian clay mask which I have. Cannot wait to try it. It is definitely launched on Amazon and on Myntra. However, it is launching very soon on Nykaa. And then we have the exfoliator. Again, I have tried it once. I will definitely give my thoughts on it very soon. So this is how it looks. Pretty cute packaging. So yeah, thank you so much San & Sky for the beauty products. Now let's move on to the exciting part. We have Coco and Eve over here. I mean, exciting, I say exciting to everything because everything is so exciting. They sent me their virgin hair mask, which you might have seen on Instagram forever. Like, literally everyone has been talking about it, and this is how the cute box looks like. It says, "We are coconut about hairs." It comes with a Tangle teaser. I did use it last week. It says Coco and Eve, and here is the hair mask. This is how the hair mask looks like. You open it. It also has a lid. I have kept the lid on. So this is how the hair mask is, and I have tried it once. I have a few thoughts about it. I am currently filming a video. If you are interested, you can just check it out. So that was Coco and Eve. Okay, so there's this brand called as Label Varsha, which were so kind enough to send me their set. So I will insert like a video of me wearing those, because you cannot really see the complete outfit over here. However, they sent me their set. Now you have to wear the kurta. Above that there is a jacket and a dupatta, and also plazos beneath. So you might have seen the video. It is gorgeous. One of my favorite things about this dress entirely is their dupatta. Oh my god, this is so soft and it looks so beautiful. I mean, I cannot wait to wear it out. Like, now that the festival season is coming, I cannot wait to wear it out. So this is the color. I chose this color. I don't really have anything in this color, so I thought, why not, just try this one out and see. So thank you so much, Label Varsha, for this. I really loved styling the outfits in 3 different ways. It was just beautiful. Okay, so now last but not the least, we have Ethnicity. So they did give me a few coupons from Ethnicity in March, after that lockdown happened, and then I had to redeem something. So I got this dress for myself and my mom. We are of the same size, so got this dress. Fun fact, I haven't opened it in a month. I just didn't get the time to open it. So this is the salwar, you can say, polka dot, like golden dots on it, golden polka dots, and it has elastic over here. And same is the top. So the top is like this, pretty simple. I kind of love this simple, what can we say, simple texture on the kurta. And yeah, so this I got in this shop. I got this in the size small. And for the dupatta, wait, so this is how the dupatta looks like. I haven't really opened it, so I don't know how it is. I think it is like dark pink and gold tones in it. So that's how the dupatta looks. So that was it, guys. Those were all the products sent to me from the amazing brands. I am literally so thankful and grateful for everyone and each one of the brands who sent me all of these amazing products. And yeah, I really want to thank everyone. Let me know which one are you intrigued to try in the comments below. I mean, I have been trying some of them in the month and I am loving them, let me tell you that. If you are interested, you can just check my Instagram and see my reviews on these products. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all of that stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.